Right, so the secret, I'm going to tell you a secret today, which is going to help you get a good jawline. Very simple. I'm going to get straight to the point. Lose fat. Very simple, listen. If you're fat, right? And because you're fat, your face looks chubby, right? You have fat around your face. So first thing, very simple, not complicated. Lose fat. And second, chew gum. Third, do mewing. Now, I talked about this very in a hurry, right? Because there's no, let me set that up properly. Because there is no secret. There's no secret to this. If you're fat, you're gonna have, how can you expect to have a jawline when you're fat? So go lose fat, then come back and watch this video. It's gonna take time for you to do that. You lose fat and then you come to, you can do chewing, chewing gum while you're losing fat. You chew gum. It's gonna take time. Do chew from both sides. Chew hard gums. And like in around a year you're gonna get good results by chewing gums. Like do chew hard gums and try not to get like the gums which are like sugary, which are very sweet. You don't want to damage your teeth, and not too hard as well, the gums, because it's just, you don't want to put too much strain on your teeth. And the third is mewing. Now, I wouldn't recommend it, to be honest, because you don't need it. If you do it, it's a good thing, you're gonna get a good result. But it's just that I see a lot of people making mistakes with it while doing it and not doing it properly, and they then just get an asymmetrical face, which is a mistake I made as well. And you're either putting more pressure on one side of the face and less to the other, and then you get an asymmetrical face. Kind of, I have a little bit of that as well. So I wouldn't recommend doing mewing. If you know how to do it properly, then yeah, do it. If you're gonna do it, don't do hard mewing. Do kind of the soft mewing, which people like to say, where you don't put that much pressure on the roof of your mouth, but your tongue is just resting on the palate, the roof of the mouth. Yeah, so you might be expecting that maybe there's some secret to this. There is no secret. There is no secret. Listen, you've heard this before, right? You very simple. It's common sense to lose fat. But then if you're not losing, like if you are fat and you are watching this video and you want a jawline, my friend, what are you doing? You don't need to watch any video. All you need to do, go to the gym, go start running, chew gum, and you're gonna be fine. You don't need to do 1,000 of things. Just these two things. Don't even do me. Just these two things, right? And then in a year or two, you're gonna look way better. And like, who wants to be fat, first of all, right? Like, you look ugly because you're fat. You have been giving this body, right? And it could look way better, right? I didn't have a very good jawline, and I do have a better jawline. Like, it's a lot better than how it used to be. So like, you think you're not that attractive, but then a lot of it is just because of you, and you're just not taking care of yourself, however you want to say it. So you lose fat, do chewing, chew gum, and that's it. There's no secret to this. Listen, just do these two things and just do this. Go to the gym, chew gum, and that's it. Don't even do mewing. I mean, you can if you want to, but if you're not going to do it properly, just don't even bother with it. And that's that. There's no secret to this. That's the point of this video. You just have to do these things. If you're expecting some some secret, right? There is no secret. You may be expecting I'm going to tell you something which is just going to get you a jawline, maybe in a month or two. That's not going to happen. Things take time. Like, things like these take time. So just these two things. There's nothing else you need to do. start to lose fat, go start running, right? Go to the gym. If you can't go to the gym, just work out at home, right? And chew gum. I hope you can do these things. That's all you need to do. Don't even think of, and obviously I'm not, don't eat too many things, like garbage stuff that people eat. And that's it. Like there's no secret to this. So that's that.